Hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. For today's video, I will be doing a get ready with me. If you guys are interested in watching my get ready with me, then keep on watching. So you guys obviously see that there's a freaking big change for me. My hair, yes, obviously. I cut my hair 2 weeks ago. The reason why I cut my hair was just because it was too long, one, and I wanted to trim it, but then I was like, look, if I'm gonna cut my hair and have it grow as long as I can, like before I turn older, like 20, and my hair stops growing fast, if I cut my hair now, I'll see how I like it and then just grow out new hair, you know? It's almost a new year, it's winter, so my hair won't be frizzy or ugly. So went to the lady that cut my hair, she cut my hair, I liked it, and now I hate it because I have no idea how to style it. I'm gonna start off with primer. Everything that I use in this video is basically the same thing as every other video, but I'm just gonna look pretty because recently I have not been able to take a freaking good picture of my hair. I've taken a couple, right? But they don't match my Instagram feed, and my feed is like the biggest thing of my Instagram that I care about besides like looking good. I don't think anyone's seen it yet. Well, besides people that I go to school with, but like Instagram and you guys that watch my videos, you guys haven't seen my hair yet. Unless you guys have me on Snapchat, you guys will most likely have seen it.
Only when you gonna blame when it's over. Can't look me in my eyes when you're sober. Hey,
So my skin, if you guys can't tell, like it's been clearing up. I'm gonna knock on some wood because I'm not trying to like break out. My skin is like breaking out. The pills that I've been taking have been like stopping it or fighting it back. Also, I've been taking fish oil. Fish oil, okay, let me show you guys. Okay, so I've been taking these two pills. Turmeric for my acne and then fish oil just because fish oil helps with anxiety and stressing. I stress a lot. I did do my eyebrows right before I was supposed to film for you guys. I did them just because they look like crap. Like they literally look so bad. I was gonna post up and look really bad in front of you guys, so
look at this dude.
I'm gonna do some eyeshadow. I really don't know what I'm doing, but what's new? My sister gave me the ColourPop Element of Surprise. The colors are really pretty. I would never use that pink though, unless it's like for a really extravagant party. Oh my god, this glitter that I'm using is so pretty. It's called Silk Street. This one is so pretty. Okay, so on Twitter, there's like a rivalry between Spotify and Apple Music. I feel like Spotify is a lot better because they literally like take all the music that you've ever listened to throughout the year and they do like a Spotify like wrap like all together, and they do like the throwback. They make like discover playlists just so you can like widen your variety of music, and then they like add more music of your music taste. They make playlists for you without you even asking them to. The reason why I brought that up is because I want to talk about music for a little bit. Let me show you guys my favorite songs lately. So this is like a sad song if you're in a sad mood. Lila, my best friend, she showed me the song because she really likes Russ, and I feel like a lot of people don't really like Russ, but to be honest, his music is great. I don't really know what the deal is about him that nobody likes.
I don't know why we even tried this in the first place, but they all...
So that's September 16. It's a sad song, but like it's really good. And then also Missing You Crazy by Russ. I love this song so much.
It's been way too long since I seen you, look you in your eyes. Right? Sometimes I start missing quite like you.
It's such a good song. I love the song. Do you guys ever do this where you say you're broke and then start spending money on like freaking clothes and then regret it the next day? Yeah. So this is the finished look for my get ready with me. If you guys liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I will be uploading a lot more. If you guys have any video suggestions, then please comment them down below. All my social media links will be linked down below. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. My name is JenniferlaE and I'm out.